Hello everyone! I wanted to make this quick video today to share with you all about the letter A. And we have the letter A here, the first letter of our alphabet. It is an important letter because it is a vowel. There are 5 vowels and we're going to go through each of them. So we're going to start with the letter A. Okay? We're going to go through some things that some of you probably already know, but just bear with me. So we have our letter A here. The first thing we need to do is learn how to write it. So taking a look at our card here, I have the uppercase A, and I also have lowercase a. It's probably easier this way. Uppercase A, lowercase a. And these arrows tell you how to write it. So for uppercase A, we slant left, slant right, line in the middle. Let's do that together. You can do it in the air. Get ready? Slant left, slant right, line in the middle. Again, get ready. Slant left, slant right, line in the middle. One more time, get ready. Slant left, slant right, line in the middle. All right, so now we also have our cute little a here, lowercase a. So to do this, we have to curve around like a C and then short line down. Let's do that together. Get ready. Curve around, short line down. Again. Curve around, short line down. One more time. Curve around, short line down. All right, and that's how you write it. When you do it on actual paper, though, if you have 3-lined paper at home, it might look like this. So you always want to start at that top line. You're going to slant left, slant right, line in the middle. Uppercase A. Let's do that again. Get ready. Slant left, slant right, line in the middle. And that is our uppercase A. I'm going to move over to our lowercase a. Remember, that's like a C with a short line down. So you're going to make a C, curve around, short line down. Again, curve around, short line down. So when you're writing the letter A, this is the formation it needs in the specific line spaces. Alright, going over to our story here. We have the letter A, both upper and lowercase. We're going to read through the story to find the sound that letter A makes, so listen carefully. Anne, the acrobat, juggles apples in an act. Apple, apple, oops. Uh-oh, what happened to our apples? They're all over the place. So if you listened, if you were listening, you heard the ah sound. The letter A makes 2 sounds. It makes a short sound, ah, and it makes a long sound, A. We're going to go through both of them. All right, if you see here, this is a apple, a yummy green apple. So watch me do it first. I'm going to say the first sound, then say the rest of the word. Apple. Do that with me. Get ready. Apple. Again, get ready. Apple. One more time, get ready. Apple. And do it by yourself. Get ready. So if you listen to the first sound, you hear the ah sound. Here's a similar word. You have our little ant here. So the letter A you kind of get a ah or a eh sound, okay? So this one you're going to have to play around with. So listen to me first. Ant. Okay? Let's do that together. Ant. Again, get ready. Ant. One more time, get ready. Ant. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. So far we have apple, ant, and we have alligator. So this is an alligator. Let's do that together, get ready. Alligator. Again, get ready. Alligator. One more time, get ready. Alligator. alligator. By yourself, get ready. Nice job saying alligator. All right. So we have apple, ant, alligator, all with the short ah sound. Now I told you the A makes two sounds. It says ah, but it's also important to know that A also says its name. So if you have been watching some of my videos, you know that when we see this symbol, the line over the letter, we know that we have to say the letter's name. So for our next picture card, we have a word that has the A sound in front. So you can see, this is something you use to cook with. It's an apron. So to sound this out, I'm going to say the first sound, then say the rest of the word. Apron. Let's do that together. Get ready. Apron. Sorry, there's a glare. Let's try that again. Get ready. Apron. Again, get ready. Apron. One more time. Apron. And by yourself, get ready. All right, so we have apple, ant, alligator for the short ah sound, and we have apron for the long A sound. So try to think of some more words that start with the letter A or A, and you can comment below if you think of them. Okay? Bye, everyone.